Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents 2-minute Gutenberg. In this video, we'll discuss the uses and output of paragraph block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. If you haven't watched our last video introducing Gutenberg, I would suggest you to watch it from the playlist. So let's get started. You can add a paragraph block in two ways. I'm creating a new post, and you can see it's a new post, so I'm adding a title. This is a title. If I want to use the paragraph block, just click the plus sign and type paragraph and it's there. Or you can go to the command block and select paragraph. You can use this plus symbol too, all are the same. So let's type a paragraph. This is a paragraph. I can format it any way I want, make it bold, make it italic, make it aligned to the center. So how you use this thing? This is a paragraph. Of course, you can format it, make it bold. If you want to make it bold, just go here and click this, or Command B from your Mac, or Control B from your Windows or Linux. Make it italic, Command I, or click this I button. If you want to align this, just select the text and click the align button. Your whole paragraph will be aligned. If you want to take a new line, you have to click Shift and Enter button. Alright, and from the left side you can see you can change the text size: small, medium, large, extra large, anything you want. I like large. Or custom size, or drop cap, like the first letter would be bigger, like the caption or the first paragraph of a book or a chapter. Color setting, you can change the background color and the text color you want. I'm choosing this color and that color. Alright, go and publish this page and see the post. You can see our first post is published and it's how we want it. Everything is set up. So this is the uses of paragraph block, and if you want to know anything regarding WordPress, Gutenberg or paragraph block, drop a line in the comment section below. We'd love to reply to your query. Till then, goodbye.